Hey guys, what's up? Flaming Skull here, and I'm back with Slime Rancher. I have no idea why it's telling me how to move now. Ooh, I wonder if I can get up there. Since you're a bit late for that, you know? Yeah. No. I'm just standing here trying to get up there. We got this. Go. Nope. Aw, do it from here, don't we? No! Oh, I fell off. Okay, what are you offering me? That's what you're offering me. Hey, hello, Bob. No, I have no chickens to get you. There's a lot of carrots that you give. Ooh, mail. Let's go, chicks. Oh, mail. This jetpack's really useful. Gets me a place. Bob. Hello, chickens, hello, Bob, P.S. Chickens. Okay, Bob, got it. You like chickens. Either you like eating them, or you like them as friends, or you like them as more than that. I don't know. That's your business. No, you don't. The tar? The tar. No! You're not hurting any of my people. They're slimes, not my people. I'm here. Gosh, guys, stop mating. That's how these guys are made. When 3 slimes fuse together, make the tar. Give me you so I can throw you off into the distance. God, I cannot help you guys. There's too much of the tar. Run! Too much tar. Oh, running the wrong way. Run! I wanted to explore. Run! But that's oh my god. Did one of you just kill one of the tar? Good job. No, you don't. Do not duplicate. No. How, guys, seriously, you need to stop it with the mating. Okay, you don't have to mate every single second. Come here. Welcome. My god, most of them are already dead. Seriously, guys, just stop making tar. Just stop playing with arts and crafts. It's not a thing that you need to do. Just leave tar alone. Oh, chickens. No, Rooster. I think we should pop the tabby guy. Nah, let's do something else. Let's collect all the poops. Yes. I want to work on getting those upgrades, because if I get those upgrades, that'll be so useful. Because then I have upgrades. Is that more tar? No, it's not. It's just a no. Dude. Oh no, I can't move. Up. Ooh, chickens. I don't want chickadoo. Chickadoos are not swag enough. And not old enough. Study him. Let's throw some more chickens to feed to my tabbies. No. Up all night. Yeah, I pulled an all-nighter. I don't know why. Because I feel like it. Seriously! Stop! A doink! No, guys, if you are a mix, stop eating from other poop. It's unneeded. Anyway, I know what a Laros means. Ooh, you make light up cats now. That's swag. Give me more plort. I want more. Nope, more plort. Give me more plort. More plort. Give me more plort. How do I? More plort. More. Stop. More plort. I want plort. I want plort so I can sell it and get monies. Okay. Now to get more chickens. I'm turning into Bob. Chickens. Give me Stony. Wish there were a shortcut home from here. That'll be helpful. Nothing. That's in. Well, let's go back home so that we can feed and get money. Hello. You know what? Since you're making... I'll get you some other day. Right now, I just want to get more upgrades. Upgrades will be helpful. No, let's go. Oh god, it's the tube of tunnels of tubes. Gotta run, there's spikes. Oh my god, there are rhinos everywhere. That's what I call these guys. I gotta mention that. I think I have a new upgrade because I have mail. Probably from Bob again, just screaming at me that he wants chickens. I'm not giving you chickens, Bob. I'm not. These are my chickens. Giving them to my tabbies. Tasty food acquired. Tasty food acquired. I'm not eating these hens. I'm giving them to my tabbies. Huh? That would be mean. But. Alright, so I have 10 in all. There's three things. 4, how about I give 4, 4, 2. Oh wait, no, these guys only eat veggies. Alright, how about 8, 2. So good at math. And Sony hens to go to these guys. Oh no! Come back, I need to feed you to my peeps. Doink. Nope. Doink. There. Nope, Bob still wants chickens. Yeah, why does it think I just started? Oh my lord! This thing's broken. I'm not gonna say that it's bad, because this is early access. So, it would probably, I bet it's good. And it's been having some good updates. So much things have been coming out. Including the radioactive slime version, which I can't wait to get to. Those guys, they took a while to make. Carrots. Or, I guess, there's still some pink slimes here. I know this is your territory. You can leave it. Oh wait, no. Don't leave it. It's your territory. Oh my god. I'm safe. It's against me. That's not right. Is there anything over here? I need a better jetpack to get all the way over there. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Ooh, can I make it over there? Huh? Oh, so close. Good days, pinks. Pinks, yes. It's your names. Names. I said grammar's good. No? Oh, the fruit up there. Go away, rhinos. I know no. 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 I don't want Puggle. No, I want Puggle for that. I want plort. Oh my god, this tree is amazing. It grows like 50,000 Puggle food every day. Some. Stupid rhinos. Go away, rhino. Nobody likes you. Go away, Rockport. Don't get in the pink guy's mouth, or else that'll create more rhinos. Hey! No! Screw you! It's the hideout for the chickens. Anyways. Last ever. Go, 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 go. Get up. Yes. Oh, oh. Go. Yes, go. Oh, no. Leap of faith. Yeah. Where should I go? Let's go everywhere. I'm breaking it. Get onto the tree. Yeah. Jumping from tree to tree. No. Screw you. Stupid cat. Stupid cat. My god. Ah! 2 berries. Give. Back to the hideout. Back to the bat cave. I don't know. Nope. Never mind. Hit. Nope. Hit. I can't fly. Not Superman. Damn it. So let the energy come back to me. Ooh, poker fruit will come back to me in a little bit. Let me just feed my peeps. Yeah. Should check out my meal. Who wants food? I have 30 food. Wow, that is crazy. Oh god. Okay. And what's hen hen? You want hen hens? That's all I'm gonna give you. Aha. Oh, these guys like veggies. Carrots are veggies. I don't know about berries. I'm pretty sure they're fruit. So here you go, you jerks. Well, not really jerks, but they're ugly. I'll go for 2 berries. Alright. I need some that can like get all this plorts. I don't want. But yeah, isn't there like a plort collector? Yeah, plort collector. How much is that? 500. Oh my god, that's not coming anytime soon. What's their poop collected? Probably don't want it collected, but it is getting collected. 10 plort, I'm guessing. So I gave you 8, and I gave you 2. Moth master. Back to tabs. Jump over the pinks. No. Oh. And dabby. Oh, I'm getting so much money from cat poop. Yeah. What's this? What are you gonna give me? Or West, I'm sorry, but I'm not taking a deal. No deal. Oh god. Only 5. Oh. So I only get 5 carrots. But that's all I had. Okay? Deal with it. I'm flying. That covers the basics, totally. Boop, 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 boop. 500, I can get a plort collector. But wait, let me see my mail. It's my mail. I'll check it out. But what's this? What upgrades can I get? Water tank, nah. Pulse wave, nah. Heart module, nah. Hardcore, maybe. I think I should get plort collector. I'm getting a plort collector. Plort collector. I'm gonna save up to get everything. I'm gonna get everything. And yeah. There's gonna be too much plort in here. I can't collect it all. Yep, that's right, because I gave them 23 food recently, which is over 20. It's over 20. 612, I just made 100. These are $5 each, or whatever this currency is. Okay. Where did the extra 2 poop come from? Oh, that. You guys are like, yeah, don't shit me. I'm right. I have rights, just like you. For slimes. Your slimes. And I am your rancher. Now obey me.